Hello, YouTube vintage TV collectors. I love the Stooges, always have. Today I'm talking about Sony portable black and white TV monitors of the 60s and 70s. And I'm working on another one here. I have several of these, and you wonder, why do I restore them? Well, people that do vintage video games love these things. And I actually love them because they're just kind of cool. This one here, the metal trim had come loose, so I'm gluing it back on. The sun shield is in perfect condition. Some of these, people break the tabs or they just break because of age, they get brittle. I'll show you the cool little chassis side of this. It works. I replaced one capacitor in the power supply because it was leaking oil out the end. But tell you a little bit about these. They're kind of in a class of their own back in the day. I went to a local TV station in Kitchener years ago on a tour, I'd say about 1976, and it was owned by Electron, which made TVs, stereos, phonographs, radios, and in the production studio they had some small Sony monitors, and exactly this kind right here. So this one's actually a monitor. It has a tuner in the front, but it has 75 ohm inputs on the back and 1K inputs, so you could use it with a camera, or you could have a row of them, using it with videotape machines. And they have a really nice sharp picture, absolutely amazing picture, and they seem to last forever. And I asked the guy in the studio, I said, Electron makes TVs, this is owned by Electron, why are you using Sony monitors? And he said, because they're a class of their own. He said they're compact, they have a great picture, they run very cool, very little downtime, and they have higher resolution. And he said it's the industry standard. Now, of course, that stuff's all disappeared now with digital equipment. I'll show you the other side of this one. So I've blown it all out, have the knobs off of it, and I'll put it together. And you can actually put a AV input into these if you want. It's just the appropriate points on the video board and on the sound in the sound stage. Anyway, I'll get back to watching the Stooges. Have a good one.